If you are trying to lose weight, it can get difficult as the result on the weighing scale do not appear magically overnight. However, a regular fitness routine and a healthy diet with portion control are unbreakable mantras that will work in the best ways for you to have lasting weight loss result. To support that and give it some push, try this delicious and healthy weight loss drink that will boost your metabolism and help to burn fat faster. This weight loss drink contains simple ingredients that will be already present in your kitchen. This is safe to consume and is no crazy concoctions to lose massive amount of kilos overnight. This drink is prepared without any artificial sugar or too much salt, which is why it can also help in improving your blood sugar levels, cholesterol levels, and bring down your blood pressure. All we are going to do is make banana juice. Yes, you heard that right. We are going to make banana juice, which is very easy and very effective in reducing your stubborn weight. Consuming this drink can also keep away the hunger pangs, especially those in between meals. Banana is one of the most common fruits, omnipresent in every household. It is healthy, fulfilling, and a staple across the globe. You may either have it as it is or can whip up delicious sweet and savory dishes with this versatile fruit. Banana has always been stereotyped to be a weight-gaining fruit. But the fact is that it may actually help you lose weight if taken with a well-balanced meal. It includes 0% fat and is enriched with good carbs, fiber, and protein that helps strengthen muscles and bones. According to a study, banana contains both quick-release glucose and slow-release fructose, both of which further supplies energy. According to dietitian and nutritionist, banana contains just 105 calories, so it helps in both gaining and losing weight. What matters is the quantity you consume. Eating only one medium-sized or 5-inch banana a day helps lose weight. Also, it should be ideally eaten as a pre- or post-workout meal, as it will build up stamina and will help the body recover after a rigorous physical activity. Similarly, if you want to lose weight, instead of giving it up completely, have in limited portion. This weight loss drink is very easy to make. For that, all you will need is milk and banana. Additionally, you can also add honey and dry fruits. Instead of adding sugar, we should always add honey because honey is a very important ingredient which is effective and healthy for our body, while sugar on the other hand can affect our body very badly. Now let's get into making this banana shake. Simply take 2 cups of milk and 1 banana. Mix these ingredients together and blend it. Add few drops of honey and you can also add some additional dry fruits. If you don't have dry fruits, then you can also skip it. That's it. Your banana milkshake is ready to drink. You can have this shake 1 time a day. Have it after your workout. That helps to increase your stamina and also help in your weight loss journey. There are also very different varieties for making banana shake, but this is very easy method for making banana shake. If you have other kinds of ingredients in your home such as apple, oats, then you can also add it. Including a banana smoothie in your diet is a great way to make sure you are getting all the benefit of this amazing fruit. Not only does it taste good, but it can also help with weight loss. Banana are high fiber food, so they help keeping you feeling full for longer. They also contain nutrients like potassium, which is important for maintaining overall health. You might wonder, why banana to help lose weight? Bananas can help you lose weight by providing a feeling of fullness and satiety thanks to their fiber content. A medium banana contains about 27 grams of carbohydrates, which is relatively high but also provides excellent nutritional value. Banana are also a good source of potassium, vitamin C, dietary fiber, and vitamin B6. This healthy banana smoothie recipe can help you stay on track by giving you a delicious filling meal replacement. You can have this banana smoothie for breakfast, replacing the old sugar-laden choice. Banana are not just one of the most popular fruits worldwide, but extremely healthy as well. They contain several essential nutrients and antioxidants that can benefit your health in many ways, such as improving your health and digestion. Eating banana may also aid weight loss as they are high in dietary fiber and other nutrients. A lot of people enjoy banana shakes as a healthy way to help reach their weight loss goal. Banana shakes are a healthy and nutritious drink that can be enjoyed as a convenient breakfast option or a quick snack. This banana shake helps to reduce belly fat and contribute to weight loss. If you have walnuts in your home, you can also make banana walnut smoothie. For that, all you will need is 1 cup of low-fat yogurt, half banana, 3-4 walnuts, 1 tablespoon of mix of flax seeds and chia seeds, and 1-2 tablespoons of honey. In a food processor, pour yogurt, flaxseed, chia seed, walnuts, honey and banana. Blend it well until smooth and creamy. Transfer into a glass and garnish with chopped walnuts before serving. Other recipe we have with banana is mixed berry and banana smoothie. Goodness of fresh berries and banana along with the tang of orange comes together for a thick smoothie that can be your next breakfast option. A fulfilling meal in itself, mixed berries and banana smoothie is a perfect combination of tasty and healthy. For making mixed berry and banana smoothie, you will need is 1 cup frozen mixed berries, 1 frozen ripe banana, half cup low-fat yogurt, 1/4 cup fresh orange juice, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Combine all ingredients together in a blender and puree until smooth. That's it. Your mixed berry and banana smoothie is ready to serve. Banana shakes are very easy to make. You can add any kinds of healthy ingredient in your shake. It is not compulsion that you need to add all kinds of product. If you have only milk and banana, that also works very well. It is because the fiber content of banana promote weight loss by increasing the feeling of fullness and reducing appetite. However, the high carb content of banana makes us unsuitable for low carb diets. Banana are rich in healthy fibers that help curb appetite and make the body burn fat. The indigestible fibers that are present in banana or a resistant starch block the carbohydrates from being absorbed by the body. This makes the body burn fat as energy instead of the carbohydrates. The best time to take banana shake is with breakfast or after the breakfast or in the evening. And always remember, not only one thing help in the weight gain, always the combination of foods which help in the weight gain. Banana smoothie is loaded with essential vitamins and minerals such as potassium, calcium, manganese, magnesium, iron, folate, niacin, riboflavin and vitamin B6. These all contribute to the proper functioning of the body and keeping you healthy. The high content of potassium in banana makes it a super fruit. If you are suffering from cough and cold or has asthma or sinus issue, then do not consume banana at night.